or 350 entries. They have emerged as the overall first place winner of the 2025 Samsung Solve for Tomorrow competition here in the Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, our grand champion for Samsung Solve for Tomorrow 2025 is... System Health from Cavite Science Integrated School. Congratulations to this year's grand champion. Please come up the stage. Our grand champion promotes a solar-powered water quality sensing buoy that measures salinity, turbidity, pH, temperature, and dissolve oxygen in macro waters. This project aims to help communities adapt to climate change, protect marine habitats, and promote biodiversity. This year's grand champion will be going home with 500,000 pesos worth of Samsung devices for their school, 100,000 pesos cash prize for the team members, 30,000 pesos for the teacher, and 500,000 pesos worth of Samsung phones and tablets for the team members and their teachers. Of course, at this point, we are all ears for this year's grand champion. May we hear a short message, please?
Good morning po. First of all, we want to thank the Lord po for giving us this award, and thank you so much din po Samsung Philippines, Samsung sa opportunity po na magbigyan po ng platform yung mga bata para po mabigay po yung kanilang ideas, and I pray and hope na mas more power pa po and blessings para sa inyo. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Once again, let's give it up for Cavite Science Integrated School, our grand champion for this year's Samsung Solve for Tomorrow. And of course, congratulations to everyone. Each and every proposal was truly inspiring, and we just want to tell all of you to keep it up and keep striving for a better tomorrow for our country.